Hello, friends. It is the October reboot. My gosh, this year is going so fast. Anyway, this is a 2020 Harley Davidson, and this was a detail that I did in my first 6 months. Had no idea what I was doing. Didn't know anything about the amount of bugs that could get onto one of these things. And I also learned a lot because this bike was owned by a couple of friends of mine. So they were able to educate me on the bike, things to maybe like the intake cover that when you're washing it, things like that. And so it was a really awesome opportunity for me to be able to do this bike. It was something that I had wanted to do. I haven't done any since, but maybe one day, never know. Anyway, I'm just going to let the video play, let you watch it. I cleaned it up a little bit, brought it down, to a more reasonable time frame for a long form video. But I learned so much on this detail that I bet today, and I've learned a lot about detailing in general today, that I could probably do something like this in a couple of hours now that I have more knowledge. But anyway, I also, when they called me to have this detailed, they also wanted it to be waxed. And so what we did was we did a ceramic spray coating. And this was relatively new to me still. I had only done my own car and another car. And so we got some ceramic spray coating on there. My favorite, Turtle Wax Hybrid Solutions. I love that stuff. I also learned, do not put any tire dressing and things like that on motorcycle tires because it could splatter and cause issues with brakes and could also cause an accident. I learned a lot. It was great. But anyway, enjoy the video, guys.
sure is a shiny bike.
All that was left to do was to put the saddle boxes back on, and it was done. And it looked so beautiful. I was actually very proud of myself during all of this. Now, I will say, it took 7 hours for me to do this bike. And as I said a little while ago, it would probably only take me a couple of 3 hours now. But that just goes with not being experienced. And I want newbies to know that. Just because it took 7 hours, it does not mean that it's going to always stay that way. So, anyway, just enjoy the process as you grow. This was fun. This was one of the best details I had ever had. I enjoyed it so much. And you know how it is. Sometimes when you enjoy it, you want to do it again and again and again. So hopefully one day I'll have the opportunity again. Thanks for hanging out on my channel, guys. I hope you enjoyed this October reboot. It was definitely worth it. Definitely worth it. This was part of my journey, and I will always be grateful to my friends for allowing me the opportunity to do it. So, have a good one, everybody. You know how it goes. Until the next video, we'll see you later. Peace.